In a groundbreaking demonstration, two MQ-28 Ghost Bat drones were simultaneously managed by a lone operator aboard an E-7A Wedgetail aircraft, marking a crucial advancement in the integration of autonomous combat systems. Boeing revealed that this milestone aligns with increasing operational demands for enhanced synergy between manned and unmanned platforms. The trial demonstrated how a single controller can effectively pilot multiple drones from an airborne command center, paving the way for more flexible and survivable air combat formations. This innovation is especially significant for the Royal Australian Air Force and allied forces as they confront evolving security dynamics across the Indo-Pacific. During a live exercise conducted at Woomera, South Australia, a crew member on board the E-7A Wedgetail directed two MQ-28 Ghost Bats alongside a virtual aircraft simultaneously. These drones functioned as forward reconnaissance units and tactical force enhancers, flying ahead of the main strike group and transmitting real-time intelligence back to the command aircraft. This operation highlights the role of unmanned systems in expanding battlefield awareness, safeguarding piloted aircraft, and enabling dispersed missions in contested airspaces. The MQ-28, dubbed Ghost Bat, is the product of rapid innovation and collaboration between Boeing Defence Australia, the Defence Science and Technology Group, and the U.S. Air Force Research Laboratory. Engineered for autonomous operation or in coordination with piloted fighters, the MQ-28 employs an open system design that allows for adaptable mission payloads and seamless communication integration. This recent trial, part of the Capability Demonstration 2025 initiative, showcases the drone's ability to integrate with frontline aircraft such as the E-7A Wedgetail, F/-18F Super Hornets, and F-35 Lightning IIs. The resulting networked family of systems improves mission robustness by amplifying sensor reach, enhancing data fusion, and extending strike capabilities. Beyond technological achievement, this success signals a strategic pivot by Australia and its partners to reinforce airborne command and control amid escalating geopolitical tensions in the Indo-Pacific. The Wedgetail's capacity to orchestrate unmanned combat vehicles during flight could transform air combat tactics, particularly against near-peer competitors like the increasingly advanced Chinese military. By distributing operational tasks across manned and unmanned assets, this approach enhances survivability and keeps human pilots distanced from high-threat environments. This progress is backed by significant investments and contracts, with Boeing's ongoing commitment and government programs such as Capability Demonstration 2025 fueling developments in autonomy, AI-driven command systems, and next-generation mission software. This collaborative effort between industry, defense research, and armed services accelerates the deployment of advanced capabilities to address shifting security challenges. Ultimately, the demonstration underscores a future battlefield where human operators and autonomous systems operate in seamless partnership. By controlling multiple MQ-28 drones from a single E-7A platform, the Royal Australian Air Force and Boeing have made it clear, the era of integrated, collaborative combat aviation is swiftly becoming a tangible reality.